Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. We'll wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. Sumit Rao. Sumit Rao.
Good afternoon, sir.
Come with your student ID. Rename yourself Sumit Rao and go to the participant and rename your. Okay. So we are waiting for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we'll start our class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
सर सबको मतलब होना चाहिए अटेंडेंस मतलब
We just want wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we'll start our class. Just wait for joining others. So in the previous day, I have given some problem to you. Have you done it? In previous class, I have given you some home task.
Yes, sir.
Just wait for 1 and 2 minutes.
सर आपका वीडियो और आवाज नहीं आ रही है
I just wait for people to join. So I am not giving any sound. Now it is audible to you. Video also
Yes, sir.
is there. Now video is coming to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Okay, so we shall start our class. So today we are going to learn about the multiple angle and submultiple angle. Multiple and some multiple angles. Okay, today we are going to learn multiple and submultiple angles. Now already we know that What is the value of sine of a plus b? What is the value of sine a plus b?
Sine A plus B.
It is sine a cos b plus
cos A
cos a
sin B.
sine b. This is the formula of sine of a plus b. Now, if we put b equal to a in above, then sine a plus a is equal to sine a cos a plus cos a sin a, right? Or from here we can write sine 2a is equal to sine a cos a plus sine a cos a. That means 2 sine a cos a. This is the formula of sine 2a. Sine 2a means 2 sine a cos a, right? Here just we are putting instead of b equal to a. Then we got the formula of sine 2a. Sine 2a means 2 sine a cos a. Right? Again, we know that cos of a plus b equal to cos of a plus b. This is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the formula of cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Again put b equal to a in above. Then we got cos of a plus a is equal to cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. So from here you can write down that cos of 2a is equal to cos a into cos a means cos square a. Sin a into sin a means sin square a. So this is the formula for
यहीं का होना हाँ इलियो चली लियो
this is the formula for cos 2a. Okay. So these are called the multiple angle. It is the multiple of a. 2 is the multiplier. So this is the formula for cos 2a. Exactly from the tan formula. What is the formula of tan 2a? Then we are coming from tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b means we know that tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. For the tan also, tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now put b equal to a. Put b equal to a in above. Then tan of a plus a is equal to tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. So from here we got tan 2a is equal to tan a plus tan a means 2 tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a means tan square a. This is the formula of tan 2a. Tan 2a means 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Is this understood? Why it is called the multiple angle? As here the multiplier is the 2, so it is called the multiple angle. So sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a, tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. These are the formula of multiple angle. Here the multiplier is 2. Okay. Is it understood? How this the multiple angle is coming? These are coming from the compound angle. In case of our compound angle, if we take the both angle are same, instead of B, if we put A, then it is coming as sin A plus A, that is sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A, as well as cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A, tan 2A equal to 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Now, formula of cos 2a, sin 2a, tan 2a that can be written in another form also. Can I remove this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Wait, sir.
Okay. Make it first. Is it complete?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the formula of sin 2a was 2 sin A cos A. Or the sin 2a can be written as sin 2a is equal to 2 sin A into cos A divided by 1. Can you write this? Anything can be divided by 1, the result is same.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Or
Yes, sir.
instead of 2 sin A cos A, now again we know that sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Instead of 1, can we write down that
Sin square A.
plus cos square A?
Yes, sir.
Instead of 1, we are writing here sin square A plus cos square A. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos square A. Then it is 2 sin A cos A by cos square A divided by sin square A plus cos square A by cos square A. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos square A. We get here we are dividing numerator and denominator both by cos square A. Now here one cos A cut here on the cos A. So it will be given that 2 sin A by cos A, that is the numerator, and denominator can be written as sin square A by cos square A, sin square A by cos square A plus cos square A by cos square A. Can you write this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now sin A by cos A means tan A. So numerator is 2
2 tan A.
tan A by, here we can write down that tan square A
Tan square A plus 1.
plus 1. So the formula of sin A, sin 2A can be written as 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So there are two formula of sin 2A. One is 2 sin A cos A, which is involving sin and cos, and another formula of sin 2A involving tan, that is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Right? So formula of sin 2A can be written as 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A also. So this is another formula. Is it understood? So for the sin 2A, there are two formula. One is 2 sin A cos A, another is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay? Is it complete?
Yes, sir.
Can I remove it?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Move.
Now again, the formula of cos of 2A was cos square A minus sin square A. It was the formula of cos 2A, or we can write that cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, means 1 minus cos square A. As sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A, right? Instead of sin square A, we are writing 1 minus cos square A. As we know that sin square A plus cos square A 1, so we can write down instead of sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to cos square A minus 1 plus cos square A. So cos 2A can be written as cos square A plus cos square A, that is 2 cos square A minus 1. This is another formula of cos 2A. Cos 2A can be written that 2 cos square A minus 1. Right? This is another formula of cos 2A. Again, Formula of cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Now, if we change this cos square a as 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a, then it is 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. That is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So the cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square a. So this is another formula of cos 2a. Right? So we got the three formulas for cos 2a. Number one is the basic formula, which is coming from compound angle. Cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Second one, cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. And third one, cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a.
सुमित भाई
Is it complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
What's for next one? Again, we know that cos 2 equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This can be written as cos square a minus sin square a divided by 1 is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This 1 can be written as cos square a plus sin square a. This 1 means cos square a plus sin square a. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos square a. Then it is cos square a minus sin square a whole thing divided by cos square a. That is the numerator. Now denominator is cos square a plus sin square a, which is divided by cos square a. Now it can be written as cos square a by cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a divided by cos square a by cos square a plus sin square a by cos square a, right? Now for the numerator, cos square a by cos square a, that is 1 minus sin square a by cos square a means tan square a. In denominator, cos square a by cos square a, that is 1 plus sin square a by cos square a means 10 square. So this is the another formula of cos 2a, which is involving 10. That is 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square a. This is another formula of cos 2a. That is 1 minus 10 square a by 1 plus 10 square a. Is it understood? So, can I remove it? Now, so at a glance, if we write down the formula of 2a of sine, cos, and tan, then the formula of sine 2a. So, number one, formula of sine 2a can be written as 2 sine a cos a. Again, number two, formula of sine 2a that can be written as in terms of tan 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Number three, the basic formula of cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Number four, again cos 2a can be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. Again, this cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square a. Again, in terms of tan, you can write down that cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. And number 7, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So these are our formula of multiple angle. Basic formula of multiple angle of where the multiple is 2. That means we can say that the 2a formula of sine 2a, there are two formula. One is involving sine cos, another is involving tan. For cos 2a, there are four formulas. Number one, which is involved with sine cos. Number two, which is involved with only cos. Number three, which is involved with only sine. Number four, which is involved with tan. And tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a, obviously. Write down this formula. This will be required for each and every problem to solve it. And for cos, there are four formula. For sine, there are two formulas. For sine, there are two formulas. One is involving sine cos, and another is involving tan. For cos 2a, there are four formulas. One is involving sine cos, another is involving only cos, another is involving only sine, and last one is involving with tan. Okay. And for 10 to 10a by 1 minus 10 square a. Is it complete? Can I go for next part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the formula for sine CA? Sine CA. This can be write down as sine 2a plus a. Can you write this? Sine CA is equal to sine 2a plus a.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
we can put that sine of a plus b formula where a equal to 2a and b equal to a. Sine of a plus b means sine a cos b. Sine a means 2a into cos b. Cos b means here a plus cos a sin b. Cos a means 2a into sin b means sin a. Can you write this? Sin 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into sin a. Now, what is the formula of sin 2a? Basic formula of sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a into 1 cos a was there. So, we are putting here cos a plus. Now, formula of cos 2a involving sine. Formula of cos 2a means we know that involving sine, that is 1 minus 2 sine square a into sine a. Can you write this? Hello? Is it understood by everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, then it is 2 sine a into cos square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a, na? Now from first and third, if we take common 2 sine a, from first and third, if we take common 2 sine a, first and second, it is 2 sine a cos a is this. If we write down that 2 sine a, now for this cos a can be written 1 minus sine square a. Cos a can be written 1 minus sine square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. Can you write this? Then it is after multiplication 2 sine a minus 2 sine cube a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. After multiplication, we got it. Now here it is 2 sine a plus sine a. That means 3 sine a minus 2 sine cube a minus 2 sine cube a, that is 4 sin cube A. So the formula of sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. This is the formula of sin 3A. Formula of sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Here the multiplier is 3. Right? So formula of sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. You have to remember this. Is it understood? Can I remove it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to remember this formula sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now we are going for cos 3A. Cos 3A, that can be written as cos 2A plus A. Cos 3A can be written as cos 2A plus A. Now cos of A plus B formula. Cos of A plus B formula means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here A is equal to 2A and B equal to A. So cos of 3A can be written cos of 2A plus A. Then it is cos of A plus B formula, that is cos 2A cos A minus sin 2A sin A. Now cos 2A can be written as 2 cos square A minus 1 into cos A minus sin 2A means 2 sin A cos A into sin A. Is it understood? So after multiplication, it will be given that 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 sin square A cos A. Now this 2 cos cube A minus cos A remain unchanged minus 2 cos A into sin square A can be written 1 minus cos square A. Sin square A can be written 1 minus cos square A. Then it is 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A plus 2 cos cube A. Then it is 2 cos cube plus 2 cos cube, that is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So the formula for cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A.